Born with only half a body and no tail, this little dog was once too insecure to step outside. It spent most of its time indoors, avoiding the world. But its loving owner never gave up, showering it with care, encouragement, and endless praise every day. Eventually, the dog built up the courage to explore the outside world. The first attempt to befriend a husky ended in rejection, which crushed its spirit, but the owner's constant support helped it keep trying. Over time, the husky accepted the dog, and their bond blossomed into a playful friendship. Soon, other dogs joined in, and the once timid pup started enjoying life to the fullest. Whether it was ice skating in the winter or wearing a quirky watermelon helmet crafted by its owner, the dog's confidence soared. Now, it's a social butterfly with a growing circle of friends and a heart full of joy. Would you ever imagine such an incredible transformation?